how to set Wi-Fi proxy configuration on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, click on Wi-Fi. After click on Wi-Fi, click on the Settings icon. Now in Settings, click on View More. After click on View More, you will see proxies here. If you want to set Wi-Fi proxy to configuration, so you will select Manual and Auto Config. So you will select Manual and Auto Config. After click on Auto Config, so you will add Web Adjustment. You will see. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set Wi-Fi proxy configuration on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.